Algebra 1, find the values of inverse function from table. That's our topic for today. The problem is the function fx is invertible, so we have to find f to -1 of 61. This means it's an inverse of 61. Okay, this is our table. Our table has the values x, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67. And then f of x is 61, 63, 65, 67, 69. What I mean this? Okay, a function is a rule. Let me write some ideas. A function is a rule that send each inputs mean x values to exactly one output. But I mean this output is f of x, or y values. Okay, so this is one important idea. This is a number one. So number two. Let's go and write a number two. What does that mean? Number two. Idea number two. Very important. A function is invertible if each possible output is produced by exactly one input. Right? See, this is another idea that we have to remember when we work in this problem. So check it out. Next one, number three. Idea number three. If a function f of x is invertible, it is inverse, and this inverse is written this way. This is the sign, f to the -1. That's very important of this of x. Okay. The answer here, maybe another clue. So the answer, okay, f -1 of x. So this takes output values of f of x, f of x. So see, produce input values. All right. So this is very important here. That is, let me make a resume here. At least let's write f. Just write it in this way. Before to find the answer here, look at this. F to the negative 1, so this is inverse of b equals a. See? This is our formula. If, only if, only if f of a equals b. See? That's our conclusion. So now we are able to solve the problem. Very easy, very simple. This is not complex problems. So I would like to always explain it what I mean in my class. So now, so solve our problem. So, okay. So let f f to the negative 1 of 61, because this is our problem, equals a, right? This means, so this means, what I mean this, a is the number, okay, it is the number such that f of x, here, f of x equals 61. See? To find a, here, to find a, so we need to find a. Look for the row. Look. I am doing it step by step in the table. Okay, with look at this, with an, on f of x. Let's write that with red color here. F of x equals here value of 61. I write the process. So this is not tricky. So where is the value f of x equals value of 61. F of x is right here. Where is 61 is right here. Where is the value? It's 59. See? So this is our answer. In other words, let me write down the process down here. The x value here. The x value. The x value 59. So 59 here in our case produce the x of x value 61, right? So here our conclusion. So we can write it like this. Let's write f like that down of 59. In other words, 59 is equals 61. See? I write it right here is the same on the table. Okay? So here, so move it down here. It says equals, we will have here 8, see? It's equals 59 here. See? So F or inverse, F or inverse, in another word, of 61 right here, because that's our question. See, just move it down here. It's equals 59. See, that's our solution. See, let me show another problem without words, without explaining step by step. Right now, you see all the steps. I explaining all the steps because it's not complex problem. Just you need to follow directions and see where is inverse. What I mean inverse using the tables. Okay, let me erase this and then let's go and solve another problem. Of course, I want to make another table. Let me find the inverse of which number? Find the inverse of negative 60. Okay, negative 60. For that, I will make this table here. Let me make this table when these values, this is x, this is f of x. Then the values on this table, we have the first is 4 and negative 16. This is a 1, and the second one, let's write 7 and 22. Negative 22. And the next one, let's write 13 and negative 34. Next one, 16 minus, negative 40. Okay, with those are enough. Okay, now, the function f of x, remember here, the function f of x, remember the step that I did before, is invertible, It's invertible. So now find inverse of a negative 16. Okay? Here the x, so let's see, you see it's very simple. The x value 4, we have right here. See the table, negative 60, so the x value 4, we have right here x value 4, produce, what produce? Produce what produce? F of x, see, value negative 16. See? Then, so f of 4, see, is equals negative 16. You move it down here, just make it like this. I will make this line through here. So A is equals 4. A is equals 4. Now, inverse of negative 16, negative 16 is equals 4. See? So that's it. Simple, no? All right, that's it. Algebra 1. Thank you so much. I very